Ethan, what did you do to the blender?
Define do.
It's making demon noises, Ethan.
Oh, that.
Yes, that.
Okay, so funny story.
It's never funny.
I was trying to make a smoothie.
And
I thought, hey, what if I put all the ingredients in at once?
that's normal.
Including the spoon.
The what?
Yeah, so turns out metal and blenders don't mix well.
Ethan.
And now it makes that fun noise.
Fun? It sounds like it's trying to summon a demon.
Maybe it is. We don't know.
Oh my god.
Look, technically it still blends.
Technically, my sanity still exists, but it's hanging by a thread.
Okay, but hear me out.
No.
It's like a free horror movie experience every time you make a smoothie.
I don't want a horror movie experience. I want a normal kitchen.
Boring.
Ethan, the blender just started smoking.
It's fine, it's just working extra hard.
It's about to explode.
That's just a theory.
No, it's a fact.
You're so negative.
I am negative because you put a spoon in a blender.
Okay, but in my defense,
There is no defense.
it was a really nice spoon.
I'm going to lose my mind.
Oh, also, we might need a new blender.
You think?
And maybe a new spoon.
Ethan, why does the counter look like a crime scene?
Oh yeah, the smoothie kind of escaped.
Escaped?
Yeah, mid-explosion, it went airborne. It's on the walls now.
I'm looking at the ceiling. Why is it up there?
Gravity is a mystery.
No, it's not. You just caused a blender apocalypse.
Honestly, I think it adds character to the kitchen.
It looks like a horror movie.
A delicious one.
I hate you.
That's fair.
I hope the next time you make a smoothie, it attacks you.
Rude.